How to quickly change your menu with the Divi theme. Go down to your dashboard, go to Appearance, Customize. That'll take us to this page. Go down to Menus. It'll give you a list of your created menus here and tell you what menu is assigned where. If you want to change the menu quickly, choose a different menu. At the moment we're using Top Custom. Let's get one page. It'll show you that menu, and you can assign it to your primary menu, your secondary menu, or your footer menu, or a combination. When you're happy, hit Publish. And as you can see, our menu up there is Home, Action, Frosted Gallery, etc. There's how to quickly change your menu with the Divi theme.